Hey everyone, I am going to do DIY slime. It's going to be fluffy. I have my bowl here. The borax, it's quite heavy. Shaving cream. The food color, I have blue. A couple glues, like Elmo glue. And then I have a spoon to mix it all up. Okay, so first we are going to open this up. Okay, seems nice, okay. I'm going to pour it in there. Ooh, gooey. We're going to make a lot. There's a lot in here. I actually might just do one bottle because this is quite a lot. I'll show you guys in a minute. We will be right back until this is done. Okay guys, we are back. I might not do the whole thing because this is how much there is in the one thing. Okay, let's fix that. Okay, so we have that in there. Now we are going to. I'm sorry, guys. I watched some videos, so put that top back on. We will be back until I figure out what do I have to do next. We are back. It might not be good. So be right back. It's gonna take a minute to find out. Okay guys, we are back. We have to add some shaving cream next. Okay. We have to add a lot because it's fluffy slime. Oh, this is hard. And now after we have to mix it up. I want it to be extra fluffy. Okay, that's good enough. That is a lot. Maybe a little bit too much for one bottle, but it'll be fine. First time for everything, right? Yeah. Oh my god. Next, we are going to use our trusty spoon. We're going to mix it up. And we are back till it's all mixed up. Okay guys, we are back. I mixed it up. I added the second one because that was way too much shaving cream to be for one bottle. So next we have to add the food coloring. Ooh. We're gonna do blue. Look at that. Okay. Let's fix that. Okay, it was like almost half the thing. Like earlier, we went to Dollar General. We're right close to it, so we just biked there, and we picked up that. We picked up 2 glues, and we picked up this. So we are going to mix it up. See you guys when it's all mixed up. Hey guys, we are back. We mixed it up. It's nice and light blue. I'd add a little bit more because there wasn't really enough. I'm sorry if I don't look at you guys. I'm looking at myself in the screen. So now we have one more ingredient. We have one more ingredient, the borax. And then we're going to mix it up again. Okay, I have no clue how to even open this. just gonna open it like this. We'll be back until this is open. Let's see. Okay guys, we are back. I got this opened. So we're gonna pour some in. There. That's good enough. Oops, I got some on the table. See, I got some on the table. Okay, we got it in. Now we're just gonna mix it up. Oh. We'll be back until it's all mixed up again. We are back, and now it is finished. All I have to do is take the slime off this bowl, and it's nice and done. So we are gonna, yeah. We'll be back in a minute. We are back. Okay, so we are gonna, let's just mix it up a little bit more before it starts sticking. Okay, we're gonna take it off the spoon now. Oh, it's so slimy. Ooh, slimy. Okay, we are gonna take it out. Oh my god, it feels so weird. Oh my god, it's so fluffy. You could actually feel the shaving cream in it. No. This feels so weird. It feels like shaving cream. Oh. Sorry guys, there's still some powder on it. My hand is so blue. I'm turning into a smurf. Oh, sorry guys. I'm just trying to mix this up and it's like sticking to the bowl. My hand is like so blue. Oof, never know fluffy slime was. Okay guys, it's still a little bit powdery inside.
Okay, ready? 3 chapters left in this book.
Okay, this is gonna, it's not the end of my video yet. Oops, sticky. God, feels so weird. Oops, this spoon fell in. Ah, my God, feels so weird. Okay, you gotta mix it up a little bit more. I'm mixing it with my hands. Oh my god, it's like a gigantic ball of fluff. Still some powder on it. Powder went flying at my face. But this feels so weird. It's so fluffy. I think I put a little bit too much borax in it, but 4 times the charm. Well, what I mean is, there's always next time. Oh my god, it feels so weird. Oh. My hands are like so blue. I'm like how blue my hands are. I'm like turning too small. This is like so messy. Oh, powder went flying everywhere. I think this is like too fluffy. I think I put like too much borax, or I don't know. Next time I'm listening to instructions, because this is a mess. Oh, there's a lot of powder on here.
Or maybe like, yeah, our jumper could set. That's the dead bowl of sickness. I had to talk me and to threaten him with a club before he would get him close enough for Mama to hook
So weird.
single tree over the loop of rope I tied around the
Oh my
legs.
god.
The weight of the bowl was too much for him. Jumper couldn't trade. He leaned in.
It's not really that stretchy because it's fluffy. Or I put too much borax in it. Either way, it's just a lot of fluff. Like a big ball of fluff. So, if you guys want to try it, you guys better stick to the instructions if you don't want it to, like, go down for the, I don't know, Play-Doh that, it's like Play-Doh. It's not like slime. So, if you guys want to try it, you can. Just don't put a lot of borax in it and listen to instructions. And if you guys are little though, like younger, in the young age, make sure you have parent supervision or guardian if you don't have parents, like a guardian supervision, like someone supervising you, so this doesn't happen, because it is a lot to handle. I'm like getting so itchy. This is not slime. It's fun to play with. Ugh. There's just a lot of borax on it, so it's like coming off. Whoa, it takes a while to whip off. Since like ripping paper, like paper towel. So, you don't want this to happen. You want to at least not put too much borax in it, because this is gonna happen. But this is the end of my video. I hope you enjoyed as much as I did making it. My hands are completely blue. It's drying now in my hands, so I had to wash them really good. And if you guys want to make this, don't use too much borax, or this will happen. But I hope you enjoy. Comment down below, subscribe, hit the notification bell to get all notifications, and you know what I'm going to say. Yeah, I don't know. I'm sorry guys. Bye.